Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a werewolf. So before we get started, feel free to like and comment and subscribe, all that good stuff, because it really does help out the channel. Awesome. Alright, so let's jump into it. I'm going to take my black marker. Now you don't have to start with a black marker, you can use a pencil, it's all up to you. But I'm going to go in with a black marker and I'm going to start with 2 eyeballs. So 2 circles, 1, 2. Now I'm going to do a little circle at the top, another little circle at that top, and there's going to be another one here. I'm going to color that one in. Same over here. Okay, so now from here I'm going to do his little muzzle. So a little nose there, so it's just straight line with like a triangle. I'm going to color in that triangle. Okay, now from the bottom of that triangle, from the bottom of his nose, we're going to go on and give it a little curve there. So we got his mouth and he's got like a little smile at the end. And now I'm going to give him sharp tooth, maybe another sharp tooth, and I'm also going to give him a cute little tongue. So just like that. And a little line there inside. Okay, so now I'm going to do a little line right here at the top of his head. And right here, I'm going to go up, down, and connect it there to that eye. So that's an ear. So over here, we're going to give him his other ear. We're going to go up, and we're going to go down. And I'm going to give him a bit of floofy fluffs. Okay, he's a werewolf, so he's going to have all kinds of floofy fur. Now, I'm not going to connect that to anything just yet. I'm going to work on his shoulder right now. So from that last little bit of floofy fluff, we're going to do a rounded shoulder. And then right here, we're going to go up, straight line, down, and go up. Okay, so there's a little arm. Right here, we're going to finish off his mouth, like that. Okay, over here, his back. We're going to kind of round out his back a little bit. He's not used to walking on 2 legs. All right, and we're going to finish up his shirt and go up. Okay, now he needs his pants. So we're going to give him a little bottom here, a little line down, like that, and like that. Okay, now his back leg, down like that, over there, straight, another straight line, and we're going to go on up. Oop, sorry, I shook the camera. All right, so now he needs his foot. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3 little puppy dog toes and connect it there so it's coming out of his little pants. And over here, we're running out of room on this side here, so we're going to go like that. Okay? Because this part of his foot is flat on the pavement. Okay? So we only see one little toe there. It's flat on the pavement. I'm going to give him a little claw too. He's going to have little claws on the bottom of his little puppy toes, werewolf toes. And coming from his little back spot here, we've got a tail. Okay? Now over here, he needs a hand. So let's see. 1, 2, and 3 little puppy dog fingers. And then I'm going to give him little claws on each of those as well. Now he needs a hand here, another hand. So I'm going to do a line right there and come on up a bit, go down, And then we'll give him another little 1, 2, 3, and pointy claws. All right. So under or behind this arm that's facing us, we got to finish up the back arm. So we're going to go right there and then go in. A little triangle like that. Okay, so I'm also up here on his ears. Going to give him a little triangle so we can kind of see the inside of his ears. All right, folks, so we are done the drawing part, and now I'm going to add color. So I'm going to start with his eyes. Ooh. I'm going to do his eyes a nice light blue. Okay. Now I'm going to color in his puppy dog tongue. Sorry, I'm calling him a puppy dog. He's a werewolf. And the inside of his ears, I'm going to make them pink as well. Now I'm going to color in his fur. I'm going to use a brown. Okay, and his little paws. Tail. And feet. Now I'm going to give him a red shirt. And I'm going to give him blue pants. All right, everybody, there you have it. We are done our werewolf. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had fun drawing. And I hope to see you guys here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everybody. Bye. Have a good day.